Yes, this is our today class. So welcome to grade 6 maths, right? So what is the topic? I told you that formation. What is formation? Formation means write the numbers. Yeah, chapter 1, knowing our numbers. And then let us start our class now. What is the topic we have learned? What is that? First of all, we just learn about the formation or international system. Okay, international system we'll just discuss. Then after we'll go for formation of numbers. So this is about place value chart. So as we know that we have discussed in the previous sessions about Indian place value system and international place value system. In Indian place value system, we have altogether there are 4 periods: ones, thousands, lakhs, and crores. Except first ones period, all the periods there are 2 digits in each period of our Indian system. And what about the next international system? But international system can be used in the throughout the world. But where do where do the Indian system used in our India? So that it is very, we have to give some priority to our international system. Why? Because it is used throughout the world. Okay, right. So here we can see that international system. How many digits are there in the ones period? Here we can see that. Yeah. Yes. How many digits are there here? There are altogether 3 digits. One, tens, and hundreds. These 3 can make ones period. These are all periods. This is a first period. Yeah. This is one period. And this is the next period from the ones. That is thousands. How many digits are there in each period? Yes. This is the difference between our and Indian system and international system. In Indian system, only in the first period, what we call it as ones, as 3 digits in Indian system and international system. From there onwards, in Indian system, in thousands has only 2 digits, where in international system 3 digits. Okay. In thousands period, there are 3 digits in international system. They are thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s. Actually, in our number system, it is lakhs period. Then I will show you after what is the correlation between Indian system and international system. Then after, these are the millions, 10 millions, and 100 millions. So in our system, it is thousands and 10,000s. After lakhs we get, right? This is our system. Next 10 lakhs. This is crore, and this is 10 crore. You can easily to get the correlation between our system and international system. See that 1 lakh is equals to 100,000, or 100,000 is equals to 1 lakh. Like that, you should know the relation very clearly. And 1 million is equals to 10 lakhs in our system. Or to ask what 10 lakhs is equals to dash millions. Yeah, 1 million. If 2 lakhs, 20 millions. If 3 lakhs, 30 millions. Like, you can give the answer. And next, what about crore? 1 crore has 10 millions, or 10 millions is equals to 1 crore. If a question says like, then you will give answer clearly. Yeah, 100 million is equals to 10 crores, right? So 110 crores is equals to how many millions? If we ask, just you give the reply when we have an aware of the correlation between Indian system and international system. Okay, that's it. After that, we'll go for the next. Yes, this is about what I actually want to show you. This is Indian system, place value of international. Yeah, this is units period. I mean ones, tens, hundreds. You know that up to here. Yes, we'll put it here. This is first period, and this is the second period, and this is the third period. Yeah, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, and 10 crores. So first period ones, there are 3 digits. All the periods, there are only two digits in our system. But what about the international system here? Units also there are 3 digits, and thousands it has 3 digits, and millions there are 3 digits. So the constant number of digits in international system. What are they? So 3 digits in one's period, and 3 digits in the thousands period, and 3 digits in the millions period. Okay, the place value chart in Indian number system can be written as this is the way. So see, he has given clear information to us. Periods, and for example, this the number can be placed in the place value chart as, so 6 ones, okay, and 5 tens, and 2 hundreds, and 2 thousands, 3 10,000s, 7 lakhs, 1 10 lakhs. So you can use it, right? Yeah, 17 lakhs. These two are makes 1 period. This makes 1 period. Kada, this is the thing. So actually we use this here and here. So 17 lakhs, 32,000, and 256. If you know the place values and where do we use commas, we can easily to write the number names without mistakes, right? Yeah. So let us compare places in both the systems for better understanding here. So I'm trying to give you clear information about that is correlation between Indian system and international system. One thing I'm telling you, boys and girls, where only just first period has 3 digits in our number system. Only tens plus ones period has 3 digits, but all the periods are there are 2 digits in our number system. And what about the international system? Every period has 3 digits. That is the difference between our system and Indian system. Okay, let us go. In Indian system, 1 lakh is equals to, in Indian system, 1 lakh. Wait. In Indian system, 1 lakh is equals to, yes, in Indian system, sorry, 100,000 is equals to 1 lakh. It is as given. And what about 10 lakhs? That 10 lakhs is equals to 1 million. So you can see this. 10 lakhs is equals to 1 million. So 1 million is equals to how many lakhs? So the question has like this, when at any time it will come, it may come in fill in the blanks. 1 million is equals to dash lakhs. The question has come, the question will come in that way. And what would you write in the blank? Yeah, yes. If you know the correlation between Indian and international system, then only it is possible to give the answer. 1 million in the international system is, in an Indian system it is how many? 10 lakhs. What is that? 10 lakhs. Right. And as usual, 1 crore is equals to how many millions in Indian international system? 1 crore equals 10 millions. You can see that. So these are all correlations between that. Yeah, okay. And 10 crores, 100 millions, or 10 crores is equals to 100 millions. And what about 100 crores? That is 1 billion. So 1 billion is equals to dash crores. If the question will come, fill in the blank. So 1 billion equals dash crores. So how to give the answer to this type of questions? To know about, when do we know about this, the correlation of Indian system and international, then only we can write it, right? Okay, that is 100 crores. 100 crores. This is okay. If you want, you can take a one screenshot and you can write in our notebook. Okay, Nana? Yes. Then we'll go and write the numbers by using international system. Okay, this is exercise 1.4. Already we have learned this in the previous sessions, even though we'll continue in the exercise. Right. Okay, Shashidhar Gaud is raised her hand. I don't know. I will give you the permission, boy. By that time, definitely I will. But okay, Shashi, why? What happened? Unmute and tell me. Shashidhar.
Sir, can I tell international system number, sir?
Yeah, okay. I will ask you later. Okay, please.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, Nana. Thank you very much. Yes, right. So this is about write the numbers using commas according to international system of numeration. You know that according to international system, he said that according to international system. So international system, you know, immediately when you heard the word sound, the 3 digits in each place should come. Gautam, don't write anything on the screen, please. You just get it the point. In every period, there are 3 digits. Okay, use commas. This is and this. So comma is one here and another comma is here. Now, these are the ones, these are the thousands, and these are the millions. Why? Because these are international system. Okay, you can read it as how many millions? There are 97 millions. How many thousands? 645 thousands. 97 millions 645. But in our system, we get only 2 digits. But in three digits should come in the in the international system. 3 digits should be there, right? So that it can be read as 645, and you know this number 350. See how simple it is. You just go and write all the given rest of the questions like that, right? And I will do this also on one here and 3 digits, right? These are the ones, thousands, and millions. How many millions? 20 millions. Just 48. Okay, 0 is there, but we don't. There is no place value for the 0, even in the 100 place. So that the number is 48,421. You can use it. This, and this. Oh my God. Ones, thousands, millions, and billions. How many billions are here? 9 billions, 490 millions, 26,834. Right? This is the way you just give the numbers, using commas according to international system. Just he said, write the numbers using commas. Commas use chestu ee numbers rayandi annaru. Without using commas, you just write the number, and after with commas, you just write the number. That's it. No need to write number name. Okay, that's it. That is the question number 1. Question number 1, that is, you just complete like that. And we'll come to question number 2. Collect the mobile numbers of your friends and other family members. Write them, use commas, and read them in international system. And today I'm going to give this work to you. You collect at least 5 numbers from your family or from beside your family or neighbors or relatives. You collect mobile numbers. It is altogether 10 digits. So you know how to divide the number into periods by using international system. you just divide into the periods and write the number names. Number names, how to write. Okay, question number 2 is that. And next, now question number 3, write the numbers in words in both Indian and international system. So we'll take the number and write, first of all, give the commas according to Indian system. Indian system lo commas use cheddam now, first of all. Okay, first comma is after 3 digits and every comma after every 2 digits once, right? First one's period, second one is thousands period, third one is lakhs, and fourth one is crore. Yeah, this is the number. It is very easy. Once if you divide, if you know how to divide the number into the periods, it is very simple to write or read and everything. Kada? Yeah, this is also same. You just use commas, right? This is about Indian system. Then after, the same number can write in the international system. This time we'll change our place value system. 3 digits we should come in the each period. Yes. Oh, sorry. I did mistake. Right. Yes. In this time, Indian international system. Okay, just use commas. Okay, first use use commas according to Indian system and write the number name. And the second time, remove the commas and just write the digits and use commas and by according to international system and write the number name. Okay, question number is that. 3 questions we have finished. And what about the 4th? Read the number carefully and answer the following. Wow. So you just read the number carefully and you just answer the following questions. Okay, what are the questions? First question, the digit at millions place. Now I'm going to ask someone. I give the, if you raise your hand, then I will give the permission. How many are ready to give? Raise your hand. Everyone are ready? No. Oh, already 3 people raised. Yes. Okay. Who is Mohan Krishna? And is that Kotapalli? Samantha is there. And Inga only. Okay. Anish Chaudhary, just your turn. Mute yourself and give me the reply, please.